Hello everyone, this is Big Pink. Today I am going to cook tofu and veggie stir fry. The ingredients include bok choy, tomatoes, tofu. Use firm tofu and cut it into cubes. And broccoli. You can add and replace with other vegetables that you like. I'm going to make the sauce now. In the sauce, I'm adding half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of chicken powder. You can totally omit this if you can't have MSG or if you're a vegan or a vegetarian. Then, I'm adding 2/3 of a teaspoon of sugar. Again, you don't have to add sugar if you want to eat healthier. Next is oyster sauce. I am going to add 3 tablespoons. You can replace this with vegetarian oyster sauce if you are a vegan or a vegetarian. Then, add a drizzle of sesame oil. Add half a tablespoon of cornstarch. It will thicken the sauce. The last ingredient of the sauce is cold water. Add 2 tablespoons. Then stir well. Break any clumps that you can see with the back of the spoon. And the sauce looks like this. With all the ingredients prepared, we are now ready to cook. Turn the stove on to high heat. Then add the oil. I'm using canola oil, but you can use vegetable oil or other oil that you like. Coat the wok with the oil. First, cook the tofu. Try to place the tofu cubes into one single layer and let them cook. After about 1 minute, you can slightly stir them. The next ingredient I'm adding is bok choy. Bok choy takes the longest time to cook among all the vegetables I'm cooking. That's why it is added first. Then, add the broccoli. Remember not to add any water, even if you are tempted to do so. Cover the wok with a lid and cook in medium heat for about 3 to 4 minutes. I'm also adding some minced garlic. I love garlic, so I'm adding 1 tablespoon, but you can add less or not add it at all. Now add the tomatoes and the sauce. Stir them well. Cooking the tomatoes with some oil helps getting the lycopene from the tomatoes. Lycopene is an antioxidant that may prevent heart attack, macular degeneration, certain types of cancers, and support prostate health. I don't have a prostate, but the other 3 benefits are good enough for me. Now cover the lid and wait for 10 to 15 seconds. And voila! The tofu and veggie stir fry is now ready. I hope you like my sharing today. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again in my next video. Till next time.